Let's talk about situational awareness. As a controller, situational awareness means understanding your current aircraft positions and flight plans, as well as projecting ahead, allowing you to make decisions and avoid future conflicts. Your situational awareness results from the interaction of two elements: your mental model and your mental picture. Your mental model is your understanding of a sector, such as its parameters and the procedures you generally use to work it. This mental model is influenced by how you were trained and your experience. On the other hand, your mental picture is what is going on in the sector right now. Questions like, where is the traffic? What are the call signs? Headings, altitudes, intentions, etc. Together, your mental model and mental picture create your situational awareness. Let's picture two controllers, both trained and competent on the same sector. Now imagine that the first controller is looking at the scope and needs to hand off the position to the second one. What does the first controller need to include in this briefing? Do they share identical mental models? The answer is no. Their mental models are not identical for a number of reasons. For example, the controllers had different trainers that taught them different tools. They may have different scan techniques, and they may prioritize their activities differently. Which aircraft do the controllers need to focus on, and in what order? This depends on their mental model. One of the problems related to aviation safety is the assumption that situational awareness between two controllers working together is the same. Let's imagine two controllers. Controller A is relieving Controller B. Controller A has prioritized the aircraft a certain way. Controller B may have prioritized those same aircraft differently if she were working with the sector. Controller B needs to understand the situation in order to maintain safe traffic flow. This is why it is so important to give a thorough position relief briefing and to provide some time overlap between the two controllers. This allows Controller A and B to communicate and ensure they both understand the situation. When you're communicating with other controllers, keep in mind that your situational awareness is different. It's important to communicate clearly, share all the information, and check for understanding.